Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make your tempo video more fun, expressive and eye-catching, adding text and stickers is the best way to do it. The Tempo app lets you decorate your video with simple text and trendy stickers that sync nicely with templates and music. And in this video, I show you exactly how to add text and stickers in the Tempo app step by step, even if you're a beginner. So let's get started. So first, make sure you already have a Tempo app. If you do not have, so you can go to your Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And after that, open to your Tempo app. Over here on the home screen, when you reach into this dashboard, you can find a lot of templates here, or you can simply go on the profile icon in the bottom right, and here you find your previous work of your drafts and simply slide to this left and you'll find to go create from the scratch. If you want to, you can simply select go create from the scratch, but if you want to do it from the previous, select one of the video over here and choose a music track on the bottom and select replace if you want to replace the current music, and then tap on the text icon in the bottom right just beside the music icon here, and you need to tap on the add text on the bottom plus icon here, and a text box will appear in the video. Now type the text you want. You can change the font style, adjust the text size, move the text anywhere on the screen. After you're done, you can select right. Over here you can also change the font size simply by zooming in or zooming out, and you can also move it where you want to place the text over here and position the text where it looks best in the preview. And after adding text, you can control where it appears. So in order to add a sticker, you can simply go to the same text here. You can go to your settings, emoji on the bottom left. Here you can find a lot of emoji and select right on the right icon here. And that is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.